Thanks, man. You're probably like the coolest boss I've ever had.
Welcome back to Aegis Armors. My name is Frank. Today we're going to do a walk around in this 2019 Camaro SS. The color is Summit White. It's a pure white with no metallic in it. The owners of this vehicle take super good care of it. He obviously knows about 2-bucket washing with grit guards. There was very few surface falls we had to deal with. Mostly we just spent a lot of time bringing the polish level up on the car, the gloss level, prior to installing the coatings. We also worked on the vinyl a little bit to bring up the gloss on that as well. This vehicle received the full Aegis treatment. We did the Aegis Armors ceramic base coat, which is a 5-year coating, and we did that on all the exterior paint and the door jambs. We also applied Aegis Armors ceramic glass coating to the glass, the headlights and taillights. And then we applied our Aegis Armors super hydrophobic ceramic top coat to all the exterior paint. And the wheels were done as well. Brings up a super high gloss level on the wheels. See if I can pick up. Definitely have a very wet look to them, very easy to maintain. Just wash off the brake dust with a pressure washer. One cool thing that we saw in this vehicle after we put the coating on, see if we can pick it up on camera here. These front grills, or the front area that's blacked out, actually has some metallic in it. And it looks almost kind of like a bronze metallic. We didn't notice it too much until after the coating was on. We shined some light on it, but just kind of a cool feature. I'm not sure if a lot of people are aware they have on this car. But as you can see, gloss level is super high, very reflective. And as we talk about in every video, I just want to basically show what's done. Every 2 weeks, roughly every 2 weeks, you'll take a pressure washer, you'll rinse the car off. Then you use our Aegis Armors Spectrum or Foam Fury or a combination of in a soap cannon. Spray it on the vehicle, let it sit for about 45 seconds to a minute, rinse it off, and then use a leaf blower to dry it. So no touch, no scratch. About once every 3 months roughly, you'll do a 2-bucket hand wash on the vehicle. That helps remove anything that's gotten in the pores of the ceramic. When you get done, you will take this Aegis Armors Renew, which is a 32-ounce bottle. You'll get a couple microfibers, wet one, wring it out. You'll spray the vehicle with the Aegis Armor Renew, wipe it in with the wet one, just kind of level it out, buff it off with 2 dry microfibers. Vehicle this size takes about 15 minutes, and that is literally all the maintenance that you have to do on the vehicle. One of our new products that has been really selling on this really quick is the Aegis Armors Black Widow Tire Shine. It can be applied in a satin finish or a high gloss finish. One other thing we do with our customers is we provide them with our Aegis Armors Aftercare Instruction. It's basically just a quick guide on things that you need to know about ceramic coated cars and how to maintain them. We're also including this customer who is a veteran. He's got another car. We're going to give him our Aegis Armor Shield, which is our 6-month spray on ceramic coating. So you can try that on his other car to kind of get a comparison between the two. As I said, he is a veteran. We're real big on the Racing for Warriors program. We run some events with Cheryl at Ponytail Racing. This is the car we use for that. So we like giving back to our veterans, and hopefully he is very happy when he comes and picks his car up this afternoon. One thing that we did yesterday is we had a white Charger in here. This was a 2020. We were doing some paint correction on prior to getting some graphics installed. And since non-metallic cars really show the least change when you do ceramic coating, we tried to take a video to show you how glossy this car was versus the one that just had ceramic coating, or excuse me, had paint correction done on it. There was definitely a very visible difference. So hopefully the video, which I'll insert here. One of the things people ask us about is what ceramics do for a car, and we're going to try to show this on video. Basically, we've got a 2019 Camaro SS and a 2020 Charger. Both are solid whites. This car has been paint corrected and coated with our Aegis Armors ceramic coating. Hopefully on the video it'll show you can see how much more glossy and wet looking this car is versus the Charger. We're going to kind of take a walk around, look at the reflectivity of the lights reflecting off the car and how much brighter it looks. And then over here, we said we've got a car that's had some paint correction done to it, but it does not have any coating on it yet. And although it's shiny, it definitely is not near as glossy as the car that's got ceramic coating on it. I'll give you a little sneak peek of what we're working on here in the shop. Clovis is working on this Mercedes GLS 450. It's a pearl white. How you doing, Clovis?
How's it going on YouTube?
You working those horizontals and verticals?
That's right.
Right on. So this paint will definitely, when we put some light on it after we coat it, you'll definitely be able to see all the pearl in it. It also is getting full treatment, wheels, glass, exterior paint. So we should have that video up probably next week. So we appreciate you tuning in. If you can smash that subscribe button and turn on your notifications, we'd really appreciate you helping our channel grow. All right, we're here with the owner, Jamie. He's picking up his 2019 Camaro today. He's former U.S. Navy, so thank you for your service. I just want to get your opinion of what you think of the car.
It's unreal. This thing, it looks like it just come out of a paint booth. It is just slap wet looking. I cannot believe how shiny it is. And then I don't even want to drive it. That's the bad part.
Well, the beauty is now it won't get dirty. And if it does, you can just rinse it right off.
It's too pretty to drive. It looks really good. It looks like it ought to be in a museum or something. I'm really impressed with it, how it turned out. And
awesome.
Done a great job. I mean, awesome work on this.
Great, thank you. Yeah, well, like I said, the first time you wash it, that's when you'll really appreciate what this coating does. It's literally, 15 minutes, you'll be dry back to dry and without any sweat and a bunch of effort.
Oh, yeah. I can't wait.
Awesome. Well, I'm glad you're happy with it.
You've done a great job, and I really do appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Yes,
It's
sir.
money well spent. I can tell you that just looking at it right now. It's money well spent.
Okay, fantastic.